Hi people, let me show you today this K&F Concept, K&F Concept, how to pronounce, I don't know. So this is the main problem today. She will make us problem, but it doesn't matter. So I really like this bag. This is my main camera bag. It's not too big, it's not too small, so I can use it as daily bag or when I travel or I don't know, everything. So let's start from the beginning. Yeah, this is beginning. So let's see how much we have here. 20 centimeters and here is 45. So 20, 45, that is pretty awesome. It's not big, not small. So let's start from here. First you have this to extend. If you have something inside, you can extend the bag, but inside also you have this place where you can put your pens, notes, everything. You really can use it a lot. So if you want to put something inside, extend, let's say that this is iPad 11-inch, it's fit perfectly here. You can close it also from this side, sorry, and you can even notice that is here. It's really great. From the side you have here, we can put it bottle. Now it's look extended a little bit, but that is how needs to be. From another side you have also for bottle extender, so it's also really great. But we can also open this so we can reach to the camera and everything what stays here, what you decide to be here easily. You don't need to open the whole bag. So let's remove it from another side. This side we can also open, and I kept here chargers, cables, I don't know, SD cards, USB card readers and everything. So from this side is also so you have both sides, it's usable. Let's put it like this, for example. So when you put, this is Ulanzi tripod. I can put it like here and use this. So if you need to extend, and I like they have little rubbers here, so you can easily, when you finish, put it like that and nothing will go down or something like that. So this is how it goes with tripod. So tripod here, for example, and water bottle here. So this is how it looks. So I was explaining you what we have here. So let's took this iPad. Also we will use it later. Also this. So from above we have also one compartment. So you have here net. I use this cover for weather sealing, for rain. It's waterproof on some level, but I have here also, I use with myself all the time this cover. So some pills. So you have here pretty big compartment. I use all the time, I put my DJI, this is GoPro case, but I put my DJI accessories here. So we can close it. This is very, very soft straps. Here it's very hard. This here is very hard, so you can easily use it if its bag is heavy. So like I told you, every stripe has this rubber gum, so it will not be like that all the time. You will use it like this. How possible is much, for example, like that or something. So both you have here hooks, you can hook something or like that. This is for chest, so when you put it on your bag, you can, who use these bags know how can be helpful this. So it's really good. It's made of the great material, it's look very premium. This is soft. So from the back also you have breathing. Here is very soft, like some foam, and here is a little bit less foam, but it's breathable. You can use it for when you have your suitcase, you can put it there and use it as your suitcase. So let's open the main compartment. So every compartment has two zipper. You can use it like this or like that, or only one, depends what you like. So here, this is the compartment. I put here my camera with lens. It's really big lens, so it's Sigma 24-70. So from the side I can put my another lens. I have here batteries. I have here, for example, cleaning kit. What else? I have mic here also, so I can put it on the side. There's really a lot of place. You have these dividers, so they are really strong, and you can use it whatever you want, wherever you want. You can, if you need more space, you can provide it directly, then you have more space for your more gear and everything. So hey, do you want to be there? I know you like the boxes, but you need to go out now. Okay, she's going to play now. So like I said, I put here my main camera, here this, so I can put a lot of gear here. For example, if I want, and I can travel. You can separate if you don't need this compartment here. My daughter, she has, but she uses it now, MacBook Air 13-inch. It's fit perfectly. This is iPad, so when you put it there, close it, you are sure that will be safe. Everything is well protected. This is some polyester plastic or what else, I don't know, material, but it's really good. I use it maybe 1 year, it's with me, but I'm very satisfied. Like Ash, she's also satisfied. So all zippers, all this I don't know, everything is still very like new, you know. Here you have also a lot of foam, so it's protect your device, especially it will protect your camera here when she when you put it here. So like you see, I don't know how much gear you need. I also put my, for DJI mic too. So this is what I all the time take with me. So you can really provide a lot of space and everything, and you have place for your camera. DJ mic 1 also, if you want to use it separately, you can put it here also. So there is a really lot of space in this bag. And hey babe, we need to make a video. Okay. Okay, we will finish this video soon. So like I said, everything what you need for your daily use, for travel, for I know, for everything, you can put in this bag. So I think you don't need a bigger bag, because here is a lot of gear. If you want, you can put one more big lens here, this divide like there, and that is really great bag. More important, it's durable. I use it a lot, so I'm very satisfied. Easy to use it. I will put you inside. So also for me, what I like, when I put it on my bag, you know, I can easily reach, took my camera, put it again, and that's all. So let's see how it looks on me. So it's not small, it's not big, it's perfectly very great bag. So you can, if you want, put it down there more, or how this suits you. So guys, I can highly recommend this product. It's my daily use every day, and I'm very satisfied with this. And Ash also, she likes to play with these stripes all day. Hey. See you guys in some another. Bye.